I'm Laura, and here's why you should vote for me as your next Llywydd academic. I'm hardworking, approachable and experienced. I'm the Student Union's current postgraduate officer and I've been an academic rep for 3 years. My main 3 priorities would be ensuring that acceptable levels of accessibility and inclusion are maintained throughout all departments, looking at the needs of people with mental health issues, disabilities and neurodivergencies, and LGBTQIA people. I would ensure that struggles resulting from the cost of living crisis are kept to a minimum and that there is more in place to support students prepare for life after graduation, such as running workshops to help them work out what they want to do. But most importantly, I would keep regular contact with academic reps and students from all departments to ensure that my priorities are in check with their priorities. Diolch.
Hi, my name is Tina Cook and I am standing for Llywydd Academic. I am currently an academic rep for the Department of Information Studies with the Master's Program for Information and Library Studies. I pride myself on being approachable, so please come say hi. I'm really easy to spot. I want to be a voice for those who may not be able to, who are uncomfortable to ensure that their voices are heard. I am not afraid to stand up and say what needs to be said. With my many years of leadership experience and being a postgraduate student, I have seen what works and what doesn't work academically throughout the process. I want to be able to positively influence the academic studies here at Aberystwyth to make sure that everyone who attends has a solid groundwork to be successful academically, in the workforce, and in life. So please, if you see me out and about, let's have a chat. Because I want to get to know you.